All right, so I'm sitting here with Horace, who had been suffering with a really bad peripheral neuropathy in his legs. And Horace, would you mind talking about how bad it was and then how you're feeling now after the stem cell injections?
Yes. Before the injections, I had problem sleeping at night because the top of my feet in particular, pins and needles sensations. And I would like shift around all night, and I did good if I got 2 hours sleep in the time I laid down to go to sleep.
Wow.
But after the injection for the stem cell, the pins and needle sensations, top of the feet, bottom of the feet, they're gone. Every now and then I get a false reading to where my toes feel like they're cold, but to touch them, they're warm. So
You can feel them.
in
Awesome.
time, I'm thinking that that's going to go away as well.
Yeah.
So
And it's been 4 weeks? 4 weeks, great. So we'll probably do another video with you in a couple months so that people can see the long-term progress, but this is very, very promising. And I thank you so much for sharing with us your experience. Thank you.
not a problem.